Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Forrest Frank has been with us many times, and this time we have a collab with Hulvey. Not sure about that pronunciation. Anyway, a nice song, All I Need. Alright, so we have this 4 chords that goes round and round, and this song from the beginning till the very end. We're gonna look at this little picking pattern and then just straight strumming. Let's first take a look at the chords, and we're gonna work with bar chords, so no need for any capo here. We're gonna start with the E minor 7. So that's a bar placed on the 7th fret. You bar 5 strings from bottom and up like this, and then you need to add 9 on D and 8 on B. Then we have this A version of it, something. It's a bar on the 5th fret, and you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 7th on A and 7th on G. We have the F sharp minor next. That's a bar on the 2nd fret. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord is the B minor 7. So that's a still bar on the 2nd fret. Now you don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. Yeah, so there you have the B minor 7, and there you have the chords in that order: E minor to A, to F sharp, and to B minor. Okay, so we're gonna look at this melody going on here. Certain notes you want to highlight, so you're gonna play like this for E minor. So what you basically do is to make a downstroke or pick everything there from the A, D, G, and B string. The B string here is important because that is where the melody goes. So you're gonna start without this 8th fret on B. You want to highlight the 7th fret on B from the bar finger. So that note, and then you add the 8th on B string, and then 10th. And there you have the E minor 7. So play the notes after each other like that. Then you quickly go to this and pick once. And you pick from the actual chord, you're gonna pick the E, A, D, and G string. Make sure you really get the 7th G note there. The 7th fret, because that is important. That is the melody note and the pause. And then you go over to the F sharp minor. What I do here is just to play a bar to begin with. I don't hold the full chord when I play the melody. So just a bar on the 2nd and I play. So a little bit stretchy, and yeah, I can give you one other version of it later, but first this one. You want to highlight the B string here. So you're gonna play that the 2nd E string together with the 2nd B from the bar, then 3rd B, and this stretchy 5th B. You can reach out to that one. I do it, but that's the actual same note as the open E string. So it's up to you if you want to lift off the bar and get the open E string instead of stretch out to the 5th B. But 2nd B, 3rd B, and then 5th B or open E. The same way as E minor, if you can do like a little short downstroke or roll the fingers across the D, G, and then land on the B string like this. And then you have just the final chord, the B minor 7, a pick, and you can pick the A, D, G, and B string. And the B string is important, the 3rd fret B string, that is the melody note, and the pause. And that's it. So there you have the melody. So it slowly goes like this. All right, that's the melody. Now let's take a look at the strumming. Of course, the same chord. So we're gonna look at the transition from E minor to A, because we have 2 parts in the strumming. So part 1, E minor, it's down, down, up, clap, down. So okay, So down, down, up, clap. Sorry, not down and then there's so just down, down, up, clap. Like this. Okay? So then you go over to the A, play down, down, clap, down. So. And then you do the same for F sharp minor, play that in the same way as E minor, down, down, up, clap. And then B minor in the same way as the A, down, down, clap, down. So. That's one round. You can go back and forth with this just plain strumming or the mixed melody picking parts. And that is what you're gonna do to handle All I Need. So yes, guys, I enjoy doing these tutorials, but all I need is your feedback in some way. Leave me a comment, like this one, or yeah, enjoy this family of Gordon Guitar. Subscribe to this channel, and it helps me out very much. So thank you, bye, and see you soon. Play tuned.